Are you an influencer or affiliate marketer ready to take your earnings to new heights? Welcome to an opportunity like no other with TradeMum.com. Hey there, we've got something truly special to share with you. Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey with TradeMum.com and our groundbreaking Team Trader program. Let's dive into the heart of the matter, the Team Trader program by TradeMum.com. Picture this, an innovative platform that not only allows you to earn passive income, but also empowers you to build your own trading team as you refer people and make money while others trade. It's a win-win situation for you and your audience. Now let's talk about the best part, the earnings. As an influencer or affiliate marketer partnering with TradeMum.com, you'll enjoy a lucrative commission structure that rewards you for every referral who joins the Team Trader program. You earn in two ways, up to $17.40 per referral on Team Trader license fees, plus up to 10% of the profits generated by your referrals when copying our trading strategies or renting our trading bot, all on autopilot. And these are recurring commissions you can earn for years. Imagine this, for every referral who purchases a Team Trader license for only $87 per quarter, you earn a cool 20% commission on the license fee, which is $17.40. With just 10 referrals daily, that's a staggering $174 in daily earnings. But wait, it gets even better. These license fee commissions are lifetime commissions, which means you'll continue earning every 3 months when your referrals renew their subscription. That's $1,218 in weekly earnings and a remarkable $5,220 in monthly earnings, just from license fee commissions alone. But that's not all. As your referrals copy our trading strategies and generate profits, you'll earn up to 10% of the profits generated by your referrals. It's a passive income stream that keeps growing with each successful trade. Your referrals benefit from buying the Team Trader license in several ways. Access to vetted, top-performing trading strategies. Your referrals also earn a percentage of the trading profits generated by their downlines. Low barrier to entry. They can start copying our trading strategies with as low as $50. Risk mitigation. Our trading strategies are managed by one of our seasoned traders. Continuous support and guidance. Overall, purchasing the Team Trader license opens up a world of opportunities for your referrals, allowing them to access top-performing trading strategies, earn passive income from their trades, and receive ongoing support and guidance from our team of experts. And for you, as an influencer or affiliate marketer, the benefits are equally rewarding. Lucrative commissions of up to $1,200 weekly, passive income, free level profit sharing commissions, free level license fee commissions, lifetime recurring commissions, dedicated support from our partner management team. With TradeMum.com, you have the tools and resources to maximize your earning potential and transform your influence into a highly profitable venture. So what's the next step? It's simple. Seize the incredible opportunity by reaching out to us at partners@trademum.com and becoming a trailblazer in the world of influencer marketing. Join forces with TradeMum.com today and unlock a world of possibilities. The time to elevate your influence and income is now. Ready to embark on this exciting journey with TradeMum.com? Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. Contact us today and let's make waves together in the world of Team Trader.